Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Chegg referral program. So let's just get straight into the video. So the Chegg referral program is primarily designed for existing subject matter experts or SMEs or tutors to refer new experts to join the platform rather than a general student discount program. So in order to go ahead and use the Chegg expert referral program, check for active programs like referral bonuses are not always running. You will typically receive an email from your subject coordinator or in the Chegg Q&A portal when a new referral program begins. When a program is active, you can find your unique referral code link in your coordinator's email or SME portal. Share this unique code with friends interested in becoming a subject matter expert. Your friend must sign up to be a Chegg expert and use your code during the application process. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.